Hey everybody, today I have this knife, two blades, as you can see. This first blade I keep forgetting what these blades are for, but they do have a purpose. And anyway, here's the regular blade. And I'll tell you what, before I tell you, on the blade it says Frost Cutlery Surgical Steel. It's got like a dog maybe and a dodo bird. It's really, really tiny. Yeah, you won't be able to see it, but it's really tiny. This narf. Did I turn into Pinky from Pinky and the Brain? Wow, this narf. Okay, this knife is one of the sharpest I have in my collection, and I saw some other videos people did about Frost cutlery knives. I don't really know much about them. Apparently they're not supposed to be very good. They're supposed to be crappy. But this, I mean, the point is so sharp, and the blade itself very, very sharp. So we've got this blade. Again, I forget what it is. If somebody wants to comment and tell me, please do. And then the regular one, and you can see the handle again. I kind of like it. It looks nice. Okay, so see you next time.